Hi everyone, welcome to day 33. We have almost covered our backend APIs, for the first iteration at least. So let's get back on the Jira to track what left behind for the API development. Then we will also check what need to be done today. So we can see we are in the progress of notification and I guess it has been completed. So confirm that. Let's get back to the code and check that. So yeah, in the notification API, we have post, we have get, and there should not be any put or there should not be any delete for now. We can have a delete option at later stage of the application, but there is currently not available. So let's mark it done. And now next thing is about comments. So comment is now in progress, and what to do in the comments? So again, two things in the comment: get and post. So post is based on the user ID and get is based on specific user ID, and post contain other things as well. So let's first create a file name as comments api.py, and again in that we will import all of these things. Similar things are there, just a name difference. Instead of notification it should be comment. Now there is a parser. Again we get this as and one more thing in the parameter, that is user ID. Similarly we will say user ID. So one check must be there, that is this. And you can see what we missed is there is the this part there, total page. So in the first in notification we missed one thing, so let's modify that. That is data equals to, which will be sent, or instead of data let's write it notifications, is equals to notify dot items. And then we will have per page equals to per page comma total page is equals to notifications dot total. So it's again the same dot total, right? Page equals to page, sorry, page equals to page. So we have iterated that, we have to similarly add here. And now comments is equals again comments equals to Comments, let's check the model. So comments have comment ID, all of those things. Dot query dot filter by user ID equals to user ID dot paginate. Again, that's the same thing. Dot order by comments dot created at dot desk. So comments equals to paginated comments dot item. Now I guess that should be inside this. So it will be similar. Instead of that, there should be comments. Else return message comment not found. 404, that is the error. Now it should be def post where we add the comment. And for that, what we will do again, this is a get method for the API. Here what we will do, this. So what is this post method for the API? So why I write these things? So these are the basic idea overview of what are these things. So now again we will add these things there. Similar thing should be there, but instead of that there should be user ID. So user is already there, so comment should be there. Anything else? Let's check in the model. Comment will be passed, post ID will be passed as well. So user ID, post ID, comment. Now this should be post ID. So now what we do, we will create comment cmt equals to comments comment id equals to str of uuid4, comma created underscore at is equals to datetime dot now, comma user id equals to user id, comma post id equals to post id, comma comment equals to comment. db.session dot add cmt db.session dot commit. Now then return message comment created, comma 201. But one more thing we need to do. What is that? Before that we have to also send it to the notification with user ID, or instead of user ID with message. Mm, for that first we will import, let's from applications dot api import notification API. Now we will do notification API dot post has commented on your post. So to let other people know, we will add a comment, adding the comment notification. So let's check if it's running fine. First, the code is running fine. So now cd backend. Now we have to activate the virtual environment or go into the virtual environment to run those things because the packages are installed there. So now run python 3 app.py, and before that what we have to do, we have to add it in the API, comma comments API. So API dot add resource dot comment comma slash API slash comment. I hope that should work. If it's running fine, then it's working, and then tomorrow we will come back for the testing using the Postman. So there is a spelling mistake. Yes, it's a capital and small. So it's running fine. So I know by the time that these are the things we have created and all sort of those things. So we are on almost on the completion of the APIs, you can see. So tomorrow we will come back and we will test with the Postman first, and then we will move towards the testing part. All right, fine. So I hope you have understand those things, and we have checked the Jira. What we have to do next? We have to do the testing part as well, using PyTest, that is a unit testing. So I hope you will enjoy those session as well. So thank you for joining the session. Thank you.